Welcome to the SolarEdge Learning Lab. This video will cover SetApp-enabled HD-Wave single-phase inverter communication board replacement. To begin, ensure your system is fully de-energized. Turn the inverter on-off switch to the off position. Turn off the DC safety switch and allow the DC voltage to drop below 50 volts before turning off the AC disconnect. Next, remove the connectors for RS-45, on-off switch, LED tube, power. Also remove any communication devices. Remove the 4 Phillips head screws on each corner. Gently lift the board away from the main body of the inverter. As you can see, we have our damaged board on the left-hand side and our new board on our right. To replace the board, simply reverse the process. Line up each hole, replace all 4 Phillips head screws. Once complete, reconnect your RS-45, switch, LED tube, and power cables. After that, replace any communication devices you may have, and your work is complete. Thanks for joining us in the SolarEdge Learning Lab.